Greeting YouTube. Today I have a hybrid, and this hybrid, I think the Prius Hybrid C. This the smallest one you can get from Toyota, and this is, I think it's a 2012. Make sure. A lot of people say, yeah, it's not 12. Yep, this is June 12. June 12, so it could be a 13, could be a 12, okay? Let you know. Some car early June is 2013, but some cars still 2012. So manufacture date is June 2012, so it's 2012. So what happened is when you press this right here, okay, and you try to start it, nothing happening. Okay, nothing happening. You try to go, it won't go nowhere. See that? Okay, and you have all kind of light right there. You have brake and all that stuff. Okay, radios work. Okay, so on this right here, I assuming that is battery. Okay, this is not the main battery and drive the car. Okay, this is the battery that like your regular car battery, and this is under, I'm on the driver's side, behind the passengers right here, not on this passenger here, but right in that door over there. Show you. See that little tiny Prius right here? If you're coming to the passenger side, this door, okay, this door, and right here where the passenger seat. Now the other side have an open like this also. Okay, so what you have to do is clip on this thing here, push, pull like this. Another one right here, push the middle center one, and pull the clip out. You can use a flat screwdriver, anything you can do it, and then pull this thing out like that. Okay, and then this side got a clip. Just be careful when you break that, or pain in the butt. You can remove the seat here, or just leave it like this. Okay, now you have a positive right there and a negative over here. Okay, I got the little tiny battery back here. Very expensive. This battery costs over $200 after tax. Very expensive. Not sure where it can get it cheaper. I think Costco may be cheaper, Walmart may be cheaper, but I got it from AutoZone, and they cost $199. $199 plus tax. Come up to $118. $218. Damn it! So expensive. Alright, so I'm gonna put this plastic cover in case this battery, the battery exit is dropping somewhere, so it won't fly all over the place. That's basically this plastic cover is for. Alright, so now I'm gonna put my positive first. Make sure go all the way in. Okay, and then tie this up. Now when you got your positive, then you can do your negative, because if you don't do that, you do positive first, it can get short. Always reverse. Okay, so when you take them out, you're taking the negative first, but when you put it back, always put the positive first. Alright, and this is not a hybrid battery, okay? This is regular 12 volt battery. Okay, I'm going to put this in. Now, for sure, I can just go crank it right now to see it work first before I do anything else, okay? Let's do that. And then we can come back, finish over here. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, punch it. See that? Now it worked. So you want to go drive? Let's go drive. See that? Alright. So that means your engine's kicking right now. So a little thing like this, don't let somebody else scare you that because your car don't work and you will replace your main battery. Cost like $1,000 and $1,000 on those, you know. But you have the small battery for crank start, and then you have the big gigantic battery that driving the car. Okay. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. To put it back, I don't need you to see that because it's so easy, you know. The hardest part is to find where the battery at. Normally the other Prius, it's not a Prius C like this. You can have a jump start from the engine, but on this one I couldn't find it. Okay, I couldn't find over there, so that's why I know the battery down there. So I just go straight to the battery, so won't waste your time to watch. And I just test the battery, and you can see right there. All right, thank you for watching. See you guys next video. Bye bye now.